afternoon from the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Olivia Bono-Voznenko, and I'm here with Modern Wall Street's friend, Stephen Guilfoyle. Hello, Stephen. Thanks for joining us today.
Oh, thank you, Olivia.
Wow, what a week heavy in economic data. How does a macro guy like you take this? Is it exciting or kind of scary?
Well, the numbers are exciting. If you're a numbers nerd, numbers are always exciting, and I think I fall in that category. We've seen a little of this and a little of that. We've had some nice numbers. We had some jobs data this morning that came out right on consensus, which was kind of higher than I expected, but we've had really lousy macro numbers in other areas. We've seen construction spending roll off the table the other day. We saw the New York ISM come in at just a horrible number today. So it's really probably leaving the Fed in the land of not being not sure what to do going forward.
What about global numbers and global data, Sarge?
Well, you know, the European macro has been kind of poor. The inflation isn't there. The ECB had their big powwow this morning. OPEC had their big powwow. OPEC swung and missed, but we expected that. As for the ECB, Mario Draghi really had to do it with words because there's so many moving parts in their monetary easing policy that are starting this June that he really couldn't ease further. And I'm not sure he got done what he wanted to do because the euro, which he really probably wanted to talk that down a bit, it really didn't react against the dollar all that much today. So I think Mario probably failed in his mission this morning.
How is the dollar doing against its counterparts?
Well, you know what? The DXY, has been stuck at 95. It tried to get a little higher, almost got to 96 the other day, but it's really been stuck around 95 lately, which is precisely where I think Janet Yellen and her friends want it. 92, 93, they tried to get it up there through speaking. 97, 98, they try to bring it back in. But if it's 95, I think that's where they cooperate with the world's other central banks the best.
All right, Stephen, and what can happen that will change it all?
What will happen? We got a jobs number tomorrow. We got the big one, the NFP. All right, these treats looking for about 160. I was thinking it might be lighter than that, but based on how the ADP number came out, I guess it's probably right, maybe a little higher. As long as it comes in above 150, I don't think that changes anything too drastically for the Fed. I think they'll be right on course. If it comes in below 150, obviously they would have to put off that next rate hike till at least July.
All right, well, that's the latest from Stephen Guilfoyle. He didn't make it sound too scary, right? Thank you, Stephen.
No problem.